Hello there, and welcome to the video on geometric sequences. In this video, we're going to learn about the difference between a geometric and arithmetic sequence and how we can write the recursive and explicit rule for geometric sequences. Now, the first thing is to determine the pattern. Now, I can tell that this is not arithmetic because to go from 3 to 12, I would have to add 9. 12 plus 9 is not 48. So this is definitely not arithmetic. So when adding does not work, that's when I try multiplying. Okay? Or dividing, if you will. Okay, but we're going to typically go with multiplying, or by multiplying by fractions. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 4 is 48. 48 times 4 is 192. So that appears to be our pattern. So we're going to multiply by 4. Okay, so our pattern is multiplying by 4. In an arithmetic sequence, what you add each time is called the common difference. In a geometric sequence, okay, in geometric, this is called the common ratio, okay? Okay, for arithmetic, it's common difference. For geometric, it's called the common ratio. Now, if I want to write a rule for this, okay, I could find a recursive rule, okay, and whereas arithmetic started off looking like this, essentially this is going to be very similar. It says to find the next number, take the one before it, okay, but instead of adding, I'm going to multiply by that common ratio. And we still have to tell it what a sub 1 is. Okay, that part's the same no matter whether you're doing arithmetic or geometric. Now, this is not arithmetic, so don't think we can write a rule for it. But for because it's geometric, we can write an arithmetic, we can write a rule for it using recursive rules. So, the recursive rule for this one would be a sub n equals a sub n minus 1 times 4. And again, I need to tell it what that first number is, and that first number is 3. That first number is 3. Now, I can also write explicit rules. Okay? The explicit rule for arithmetic, okay, looks like this, where we took the first number in the list plus the difference times n minus 1. Now, it's going to be similar for geometric. That is a sub n equals a sub 1, but instead of plus, this is going to be times the common ratio to the n minus 1 power. Okay? So, for this particular example, a sub 1 is 3. So, I could say a sub n equals 3 times our common ratio, which is 4, to the n minus 1 power. You do not multiply these together. This is finished. Now, let's just say I want to find the 10th number in the list. Okay? Now, it's going to be a large number, so I'm definitely going to use a calculator. But to find the 10th number, or the 10th entry, okay, I would say a sub 10 equals 3 times 4 to the 10 minus 1. And then because I expect this to be not a small number, I'm going to let my calculator do most of the work here for me. So 3 times 4 to the 10 minus 1. So, it's only 786,432. I did not need a calculator for that. Okay. So, that is all I have to say. You have your notes you need, so if you need to, rewatch the video. Okay, and have a good rest of your day.